Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugins. In our previous video about WP Display File plugin, we have covered all the details you need to get started with our plugin. And in this video, we'll specifically talk about how to add a media player in WordPress using our WP Display File plugins. It's gonna be one-step process. But if you would have any doubt left after watching this, then you can watch our previous video. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel. Now, if you guys remember, we've created a page for showcasing our folder and file listing in our previous video, so just go to Pages, and now just open that page. Now, as you can see, we have multiple video file, but there is no option to display this file or preview this in any way. Now let's go back, and hover your mouse to Plugin, and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to find plugin named Audio Video Player for WordPress. Now as you can see, this is the plugin. Now just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed and activated. Now if we go back and hit refresh, then as you can see, we have the option to preview our audio and video files. Now you can also make changes to it. For that you can watch our previous video about WP Display File. Now let's try changing to different template. To see how does it look, let's select this one and hit save. Now let's go back and hit refresh. Now as you can see, it's displaying video file on the right and also giving option to download this in one click. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know to add a media player in WordPress in very simple step, and thanks for watching.